Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and of course I had posted a video yesterday that a lot appreciated because we have a tendency to always think when something's wrong that it's us or our computer or our internet service, and we often don't think that the big companies and the big servers and big gun services like YouTube can also be a problem. So last night it was Eastern time around 7 p.m. that it started. YouTube and a lot of Google services went down. YouTube Music was down. And to give you an idea of how we always think it's us, I was actually listening to music on YouTube Music while I was actually going home, and it stopped playing around 7 p.m. And I tried to listen to some music and nothing was happening, and it just didn't want to play. It was just trying, but nothing was happening. So multiple services were all actually down. It's when I got home and I was looking at a podcast that somebody on the podcast said, apparently according to a lot of people, YouTube's down. And of course, this is the graphic of what you see. So this is the down detector, YouTube down detector. What you see here, that red peak, is the reports of that got in about YouTube going down. So it tells you and clearly shows that for more than an hour and a half, YouTube was having a lot of problems. So video playback was not working right and so on. What happened? What did they do to fix it? Well, they're not telling. What happened at one point is that there was a post on the Twitter feed and on a couple of pages saying, "We're sorry for the inconvenience. A lot of you are having YouTube playback problems, but we are working on a fix and things should be getting back to normal soon." That, of course, happened about an hour and a half after it started. And but we have no idea what happened. Sometimes it's just configuration errors. So many times they push an update and that update breaks something and the network just goes down, and it's easy to mess up with the code and make these happen. So anyways, we have no idea what exactly was the problem when it went down. YouTube is not telling us anything about this, or Google at all. But now things are back to normal. So today, Thursday, November 12th, 2020, things are back to normal. So YouTube should be working normally. But, always check it out. When you see that a website doesn't work, one of the things that you could do is check out if it's down or not. And actually, it gave me an idea. I will be posting a video to show you how to know if a website is down, if it's just you or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.